What's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today I'm excited to bring you two phones which are pioneering the smartphone space here in South Africa. Pioneering partially because 5G is a relatively new technology globally, but particularly here in SA, it's setting the way we do things, Internet of Things, blazing fast connectivity, speeds of light, and partially because of their camera technology and all coming in at an affordable price point. So let's move on to what we've got here today. In the one side of my hand here, I have got the Huawei P40 Lite 5G. If I take it to the other hand and bring it forward here, I've got the Vivo Mobile X50 Pro. Now these are both 5G enabled devices, both sporting large 6.5-inch displays, seriously impressive cameras, and a lot of affordability. So without looking at anything further, let's get both of these out of their boxes, put them side by side, speak some of the differences, and show you what it's like to use, the ups, the downs, and which one I would choose. So now that we've got them out of their boxes, we've taken a look quickly at what comes inside the boxes. Let's take a look at the devices themselves. Firstly, looking around the body, they both really do look incredibly striking. The Huawei has this interesting mirrored back, which looks really nice in this silver finish. Over on here, the Vivo X50 mobile, this X50 Pro has a frosted style back. Feels incredibly good on the hand. You also get this waterfall style display, which makes it really easy to hold. They both sport 6.5-inch displays. Of course, the Huawei here has an LTPS 1080p panel, which uses IPS technology, whereas the Vivo Mobile X50 Pro is a AMOLED display. The AMOLED does a little bit sharper job in terms of just being pin sharp and being in your face, being that very vibrant, colorful display, but you find the one on the Huawei is also great in terms of overall color reproduction and looking vivid. Both of them, thanks to being 6.5 inches, despite being large devices with their rounded edges, are easy to hold and pack some other powerful internals. We then can get onto the chipsets. Using both devices, the Vivo Mobile X50 Pro features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset, whereas the Huawei has the Kirin 820. Both, of course, have 5G connectivity support, and you find both do a rather snappy job. I find that the actual processing and going through day-to-day tasks works really well on the Huawei, but if it comes to gaming, the Snapdragon in the X50 Pro shows its power there, and it tends to do a great job of that mobile gaming and support. You find that in terms of cameras now, and looking at the camera bumps, the Huawei has its quad camera AI arrangement, which offers great low light photography. The 48 megapixel shooter also offers impressive zoom. But if it comes to pure camera and photography, that's your thing, then you're probably going to want to look at this, the Vivo X50 Pro. This has not only what they're calling the world's first gimbalized stable camera in it, it's also got a quad camera style layout over at the back, but the primary 48 megapixel shooter is incredible. Pin sharp, very stable, even with shooting 4K video, which of course both can do, but you also find it's got the 60 times ultra zoom, and it's got this what they call super night mode, which also enhances and brightens up scenes. It looks excellent. So you find both phones are actually fairly equally matched in terms of being 48 megapixel cameras, but the one on the Vivo has some extra surprises up its sleeve, partially because of the stabilization and also because it does a great job at enhancing low light scenes. In terms of battery life, usability, and the rest of the functionality, the Huawei comes with a 4000 mAh battery, the Vivo 4315 mAh battery. Both support quick charging, and you find that both offer an overall full day at least of use. With powerful chipsets, the 6 gigs of RAM over in the Huawei, 8 gigs in the Vivo Mobile, you are in for two solid devices, whatever your choice is. So finally, to conclude and sum things up, We got two phones here which are pretty equally matched. Both sport really stylish designs, gorgeous looking backs in their own textures, quad camera layouts, as well as blazing fast 5G internet performance. Both phones have solid internals. I do love the Huawei's mirrored finish, and the quad AI camera is excellent. I've always enjoyed Huawei's EMUI, and it's a great device. But then again, with the Vivo Mobile X50 Pro, the gorgeous waterfall style display, that stable gimbalized camera at the back, and the 60x ultra zoom makes it also an epic performer. I like the way that the X50 Pro is a bit more unique thanks to the waterfall style display and what they're calling the world's first gimbal stabilized camera. So I think for my money and pure excitement, it's the one which I'd take home. That being said, however, if you're in the market for a 5G enabled device which packs powerful photography specifications and a lot in the way of an overall offering, both are excellent choices. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, I've really enjoyed putting these two phones side to side. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Until then, cheers for now.